In this video, we're going to be doing an exercise where both hands have octaves on the white keys, and they're going to be moving up successive white keys one after another. We're going to start at a C, we're going to end at a C, and come back down. Both hands have C's together. This is how we'll start. Right hand is, the thumb is at middle C. Left hand has the octave, the full octave below that. So we're actually covering 4 C's, and we're going to move up to D's, E's, F's, G's, A's, B's, C's. Once we get here, we're going to strike this one again and go down. Now, if you want to take this all the way up here, you can, and repeat that and come down, or keep moving and then come down. You could go further than that if you wanted to. All right. The octave is such a key and critical hand position for pianists. You really do need to get used to those block octaves and block octaves in both hands at the same time. So have fun with that.